Hi, I'm UZworm. Charlotte sent me a package. I don't know what's in the package, but I told her I'd do an unboxing video if she actually sent it. So, here I am. Is this what we get to subscribers? This is how I'm going to get some fucking subscribers. This was like, what, did this die in 2013, this trend? Whatever. So this is a key. I'm using to open the box. This is the key for the lock that I use at the gym. It doesn't get much use. That almost worked. Yeah. Alright. So as you can see, this was... There we go. As you can see, this was lovingly wrapped by the Amazon Prime folks. It says ship to Chris UZworm. Who is it from? It's from Toy Gears USA. Here, I'll show you this. Toy Gears USA. You can't even fucking see that. Nope, not gonna focus. Not gonna fucking focus. Well, fuck you. Okay, anyway, so Toy Gears USA on Bay Lake Trail, Suite 115, North Las Vegas, Nevada. Seems legit. This over here, lest I don't get covered in water. Okay, what do we got? I appear to have acquired a trash man. Thank you, Cheryl.